There are a lot of text-to-speech converters online, but we have limited words limit there. So I made my own app using Python and going to make an executable out of it. Open command prompt in the directory where your file is saved and install PyInstaller and pyttsx3. I have already made a video on how to download and install modules in Python.
A few moments later.
After they have been installed, type pinstaller space and then name of your module. If you want a single executable file like me, then type --1 a file. Here you have to also include modules, which are required by your code to run by typing --hidden space and then name of required modules. You can also change default icon by typing --i and then path to directory where image is saved.
The file will be saved to folder named dist, which will be created in same directory of your program. If you used one file command, then you can delete other files except your exe. Comment below if anything went wrong.
Please subscribe the channel and like the video if it helped.